Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Your wallet must be supported by Space Entity, so check Web3, Wallet Connect, or hardware compatibility. Once done, open the Space Entity site or app. Make sure your wallet extension or mobile app is installed and updated. You should also have your seed phrase and device PIN nearby for device confirmation, but do not enter them into websites. Now click the Connect button on Space Entity to initiate the handshake. This begins the secure pairing step. Once the Connect modal appears, choose your preferred wallet method, browser extension, Wallet Connect QR, or hardware device, and follow prompts. You need to review permissions carefully. Space Entity will request account addresses and permission to sign transactions, so accept only necessary scopes. If prompted, select Network, Mainnet, Testnet, or Custom RPC, and make sure the chain ID matches Space Entity. Next, approve the connection inside your wallet app or confirm on your hardware device. You finish by confirming the correct address and network display in Space Entity. This ensures transactions will target the right chain. Once confirmed, perform a low-risk action such as signing a message or viewing a small balance to verify signing works. If the wallet fails to connect or shows incorrect network, disconnect immediately, clear browser cache or app data, restart the wallet, and retry the QR or extension flow. This simple reset resolves most issues without losing keys.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.